Hi everyone and welcome back to Lucia Paris Fine Interiors. My name is Lucia Paris and this is Lucia Paris Fine Interiors, where we delve into all things interior design, whether it's DIY, upcycling, any tips and tricks, basically improving your interiors. So today's video is going to be a little bit different because we are in January and I need to declutter the living room where all the Christmas decorations and birthday decorations were for my little boy and for Christmas. So I think it's time to just declutter, and then I can really start to just look forward to the rest of January and the rest of the year. I think once all that mess is gone, I'll be happy and my mind will be clear. So we're going to go downstairs and basically demolish the living room. But today's video is going to be a bit of a January reset, so I hope you enjoy this video. If you have already taken your Christmas decorations down, let me know in the comments. I think I am quite late to the party. I would really appreciate if you like the video and subscribe to the channel. And yeah, we're just going to get straight into the video today, and I will see you at the end of the video. Bye! I never know what to do with cards every single year. I'm not really a card kind of person. I don't really write many cards over Christmas or birthdays, to be honest. I'm quite selective of cards. I think it's a bit of a waste of paper, not to sound horrible or anything, but usually they get thrown away. I mean, the special ones will get kept more for the kids or whatever, but I generally just throw them away, so I find it a bit of a waste of paper. I don't know if anyone else thinks the same. Let me know in the comments. I got this really beautiful box of wine. It's from the Wooden Wine Box Company, and this was sent by my agent, and it's honestly so beautiful. I can't wait to open it and treat myself. At this point, I didn't even know where to start because I don't know what it is about taking a Christmas tree down. It takes so much like mental encouragement to actually take it down. I don't know where to start, and it's just honestly quite an annoying task, really. And every year I think, why did I put this tree up? Let me know if you're the same. But yeah, I'm just obviously starting with the baubles. Because this tree's got like fake snow on it, it's so messy. I think that's why I've been putting it off for so long. It's honestly so messy, the snow gets everywhere, but it looks beautiful. This time round I decided to go for more of a like red burgundy themed Christmas tree, which I absolutely loved. This bow was from the range and it comes as a set of two, and it's just really, really cute. It had little jingle bells on it. And then I also went for some like deep red roses, obviously faux roses. They're also from the range, and they really just set this tree off, and I'm definitely going to do the same I think next year. Because this tree is relatively small, I have it on like sat on the built-ins. I tend to go for these like little LED wired lights, so they're not the actual Christmas tree lights. I think they'd be a bit overwhelming on such a small tree. So I always get these little lights that are like on a little wire string, and they're battery powered, so I can just replace the battery, and they're not always plugged into the mains, which I find really useful. As I'm doing this, the snow is literally everywhere. I'm literally covered in it. The floor, the built-ins, myself, it's everywhere. And in the tree goes, back in the box until next year. To clean all of this mess up, I had to get my trusted Henry out and literally vacuum everywhere, and I mean everywhere. when you take your Christmas tree down, it's like you can't even remember what it looked like before. It's such a weird feeling, I don't know what it is, but at the same time I do love taking it down. It just honestly makes the space feel so much bigger. It has been snowing in the UK and it quickly turned to ice. I think the country kind of shut down for a little bit. If you're from the UK, you will definitely understand what I mean. Well, more in the north of the UK anyway, but this is how it's pretty much looking everywhere, just cold and icy. I'm just taking down my son's birthday banner. It was his birthday on Christmas Day, so Christmas is very much a busy period. I'm just going in with some cleaning products. I'm just using some glass cleaner to clean this mirror. I also use Mr. Sheen because it's a multi-surface cleaner and it's just quite handy. I don't so much love the smell anymore. I think I've gone off the smell. I used to love the smell when my mum used to clean in the house, but I'm not really a fan anymore. In the other bottle, spray bottle, I've got a dilute mix of Zoflora, so when I run out of the cleaner I tend to just top it up a little bit because I've always got Zoflora on hand, so why not just dilute it and make a surface cleaner out of it. Now that the worktop is nice and clean and free of any dust and snow, I can just start to move everything back into place. How beautiful are these flowers? My partner came home with them and they're honestly so beautiful. They're like a beautiful orange, like red roses, pink roses, and yeah, just my favourite. So I'm going to put these in this beautiful vase that I got from the charity shop a while ago. It's like a type of bubble vase. It's really nice and a lot of flowers look perfect in there. Usually I'd trim down the stems and take off a few leaves, but in all honesty I just could not be bothered and it looked fine. I think because it's got a wide neck on the vase, it looked absolutely fine. There's honestly nothing better than fresh flowers, and especially coming out of the Christmas period, I just wanted something to brighten up the space but also keep it quite minimal at the same time. So these bouquet flowers were just absolutely perfect. I think I've used this Sand and Fun candle in another video, but this is from Costco. It's a really large one and it's in the scent Ocean Mist. Really beautiful. And I'm just going back in with my plants. I've really deprived my plants of love in the last few months, so I need to get back on my plant game. This candle, I swear, never goes down. I've been burning this for so long and I've probably still got more than half of a candle there, so would really recommend this. Final zhuzh of the curtain and that's it. We've finally removed the Christmas tree and we're ready for the January period. I love how open and fresh the space feels now, and I honestly feel so ready to take on January and the rest of the year. So I really hope that you enjoyed this video. It was something a little bit different and I honestly can't wait to share some of the things that I've been working on and planning this year, so stay tuned for that and make sure you are subscribed to the channel because there's going to be lots more interior focused videos coming soon. And again, thank you all for watching and I will see you in the next one. Bye!